Good morning, of course. Let's go through the policies and procedures. First, I see in our workplace policy that having an emergency fund is a top priority. How does that align with our budgeting process? That makes sense. I'll incorporate a contingency line in the budget to account for unexpected costs. Now, regarding the policy on delivering quality service and repair, how does that influence our budget? Understood. I'll include a dedicated section in that budget for the diagnostic equipment costs. Moving on the next policy, at- attracting and retaining experienced technicians is essential. How does this impact our financial plan? Garrett, I include a section for HR related expenses to cover salaries, training, and benefits. Lastly, the policy recommends using incremental budgeting for our plans. Can you explain how we'll implement this? That sounds like a practical approach. I'll use incremental budgeting to build on our existing budget while considering the specific requirements for Newtown and the break-even analysis for capital budgeting evaluation. Understood. I incorporate break-even analysis in the budget to evaluate the project's financial performance. Thank you for clarifying these points.